Hello everyone, in this video we're going to discuss one of the most important topic of JavaScript, that is hoisting. So before discussing this topic you should have the knowledge of compiler theory, like how compiler works, how during compilation your code break down into pieces and then it is converted to abstract syntax tree and then finally it is being converted to executable code. I've already made a video on this. You can see the video, it is in the link, it is in the description below. Now moving forward, let's discuss what is hoisting. So I have two examples. In the first example you can see I have initialized a variable and then declared it, and then finally I am logging it to the console. Now what do you guys think what will be the output of this code? Some of you guys think that it would be 2 or it would be reference error. Now if you guys know that it is an interpreted language, JavaScript, so by interpreting line by line it should be reference error. Okay, let's try this example on the HTML file. Let's see what happens. So I'm writing the same code on the script tag. Let's check what output comes. Okay, so I've written the code. Let's open a browser and see what output comes. So as you can see, output is coming 2. Okay, now let's try another example. So in the another example I'm directly logging the variable without even declaring it first. I'm declaring and initializing the variable in the last line. So now what will happen? Okay, so there are three possibilities. Either it can be undefined, either it can be reference error, or either it can be 2. Okay, so let's check this example on the HTML file. I'm gonna write that same code here. Let's see what output comes in the browser. Okay, so now I have written the same code. Let's check it on browser what output comes. As you can see, it is coming undefined. So why it is happening? So here hoisting comes. So during compilation what happens is all your declaration part, they are processed first, and that's why they are moved up in your program. Okay, so this all happens during compilation only. So this is the concept of hoisting. That means all your declaration part will be processed first and will be moved up in your program. As you can see, this is the converted code of your previous code that we just executed. So in this code you can see declaration part is being moved up, but the assignment part, but the initialization part has still remained in its place. So that is the hoisting. Now moving forward, there are so many other features of hoisting. First feature is that it is per scope. That means it always happens in a same scope. It's not like that your all declaration part will move up in the program. Like in this example you can see the a variable is only available inside the function scope. So during hoisting, the declaration of this variable only will move in the same scope. So this is the converted code of this previous code. So as you can see, declaration part is only moved up, is only hoisted up in the same scope, and assignment is it's in like same place. And the another feature is that functions are always hoisted up. It means in your code there can be like so many variables, there can be so many functions declaration, but during hoisting function declarations are always hoisted first. Okay, so the converted code for this example is right here. As you can see, the function declaration is hoisted first, and the duplicate variable, it was ignored because the function name was same. Okay, so this is the another feature, that functions are always hoisted up. You can also try this example, it will give you the output 1. So I hope you understood very well what is hoisting. Do like and subscribe. Thank you.